In today's video, I'm going to share with you a method for making money online, which is simple, it's easy, anybody can do this, and you do not need any experience whatsoever. Now, the idea for today's video came about because yesterday I received this email, and you can see down here, look, you just earned a new commission. Come down here, I earned $107.40. Now, thankfully, touch wood, this is just one of a number of emails that I get because of work that I have done previously. Now what I'm going to do is I'll drop a link down below to this article over here for you, and it's called How Lots of Ordinary People Are Making Thousands Sharing Products. And basically I'm going to walk you through this concept today because this all gears around this over here, which is affiliate marketing. Now, when you talk to people about affiliate marketing, a lot of people's conceptions are you have to be salesy, you have to be sleazy, you have to be, recommending and sharing products. You don't. You absolutely don't. I earned that money yesterday along with some other commissions from work I've done previously, and I wasn't anywhere near my laptop, I wasn't talking to somebody. It happened because of the work I'd set up previously and done. Now, when you first go down the whole route of making money with affiliate marketing, people tend to gravitate to either Amazon because they have a huge affiliate platform and many people share it, or they go to what are known as affiliate networks, which is basically where you can find lots of different products from different companies all under one network. An example of that would be this one over here, would be ShareASale. So if I come over here, you can see ShareASale, they've currently got 21,000 companies who are partnered up with them over on this website. And you can come over here and you can see you can partner up with Groupon, you can partner up with Etsy, any one of these companies. There's hundreds of them, Honey, Minted, and many more. Now, the great thing about affiliate marketing is you can earn as much or as little money as you like. Now, the traditional method of partnering up with companies like ShareASale or even Amazon is the low commissions. Now what that means is, and I'll show you an actual example of this. So I am an affiliate for Amazon. You can see on here I've got some earnings which is $21.84. Now if I scroll down here, I'll show you this really quickly. So if I click on earnings, this over here on the left hand side are the items what people have bought, okay? This is the revenue, so how much they paid Amazon, this down here. And this is how much Amazon paid me for sending that traffic over to them. So in total, there was $667 worth of items ordered. And for me sending that traffic to Amazon, they paid me $21.84. So, it's not that great, is it, in the grand scheme of things? And it's a similar concept over on platforms like these ones over here. You can earn some money, but in order to earn like $100 in a day, you need one of two things. You need to be getting a lot of traffic over to your affiliate offers, or you need a huge following. So for example, one that springs to mind is, this Honey app over here. I know that Mr. Beast shares that in his videos all the time, and he makes an absolute fortune with them, but he's already got a huge audience. So how can you do this yourself if you're just getting started out, or if you're interested in this? Well, as I mentioned at the beginning, I'll drop a link to this article below for you. It walks through a number of ways of how you can do affiliate marketing, because you don't have to be on YouTube like I'm doing here. You can do this in the form of a blog or a website. You can do this on Pinterest, Quora, Amazon. There's lots of ways you can do this, and we've got some examples of this on here. So if I go back over here to these Amazon earnings, where did these earnings come from? Well, if I come back over into this article here, we'll just scroll down. I'll show you this really quickly. So you can see down here, and again I've shared some Amazon earnings over here. These earnings come from what is known as a niche website, like this one over here. So look, one of my niche websites is about getting rid of flies. So if I click on that, it will take me over to the website. This is my website, and people are online trying to figure out how to get rid of these pests. And inside of here, like this one here, there are affiliate links. And if anybody, clicks on one of these links and goes over to Amazon and buys that product, then I earn an affiliate commission. Problem with it is, it takes a lot of time, to create a website like this. And as you've seen over here, the earnings are not that great. But the great concept behind this is I've done the work previously over on this website. I don't have to do this again. So this is now, it's out in the wild and people are landing on here. And, these earnings from Amazon, although they're low, it's from work I've done previously. Years ago. I've not even touched any of my niche websites for a long time. So this is one way you can do this. You can create these niche websites. You're not speaking to anybody, you're not contacting them, you're not in the messages or anything like that. We're just getting traffic, from a resource which we have put the time and effort into previously, okay? So that is one way you can make money with affiliate marketing, which is known as niche websites. Now we talk about affiliate networks on here as well, and then we scroll further down and look at other ways to make money with this. So we've got more niche websites down here, and then we've got review channels on YouTube and lots more. But I want to just break this down a bit further for you so you won't understand how this all works. So let me just get this and come all the way down to the bottom. Keep coming down. This is how it all works. They're the very basics. Step one in affiliate marketing is you decide on a niche. Once you've decided on a niche or a category, so in this example over here, this was how to kill flies. That was the niche. Step two is find products you can promote and share. So we find products over on Amazon and we include links inside of the article, okay? That is step two. Step three is we create content around that. So as I've mentioned, it can be a blog, it can be Instagram, it can be Pinterest. Step four is we drive traffic. Now, the final step, which is this one over here, which is called capturing the lead. Now, traditionally, over on websites like this, we're not going to be trying to capture somebody's email because, why would they give us their email if they just want to buy some essential oils over on Amazon? And this, again, is one of the reasons why I moved away from this concept. Because over here, where we're talking about capturing the lead, if we have a product which can pay you $100 a day, $1,000 a day in some examples, we don't want to just send somebody over to a product to buy it because 9 times out of 10 people do not buy that product the first time they see this. They need to see it again and again and be reminded about this and shown proof that this method works. So if you are interested in doing affiliate marketing, what I would say is don't focus on low ticket items like what you see over here on Amazon and what you can find on platforms like Share a Sale. You want to be focusing on one of two things, a recurring item or a high ticket item. And what that means is, I'll share an example of this with you now. If I come over here and go on to Jarvis, and go over here to this website, this over here is a piece of software and it's called Jarvis, or it used to be called, it's called Jasper. It's rebranded to Jasper. And basically over here, this is a writing tool. And what happens here is I recommend this and share this to people. They trial it completely for free. After the trial, they then go on to a paid monthly plan. And because I send that traffic to them and they bought the product and they started using it and they keep using it every single month, then Jasper over here, they will pay you a recurring commission. So again, you do the work once, but you paid over and over again for it. And it's a pretty cool method. I've shared lots of videos about this in the past of different tools and softwares you can use to set this method up. You then also have something which is known as high ticket items, and you can find examples of this in this blog article over here, which is whereby people are online, they're searching for certain things, and you can recommend and share a product or a service and you can earn money. So an example of that would be, if I come over here to affiliate marketing, and we're just going to scroll down here, come down to this article over here. You see this legendary marketer review, all hype or genuine products. If I scroll down here, we've got another review here. People are online, they've found out about a product or a way to make money online, and then they're doing research. And they'll land on a website like this one here, or they'll land on YouTube and watch a video, and basically they can make a decision based upon that after reading the content. So in this example over here, this legendary marketer review, all I'm doing here is I'm creating content around the product, legendary marketer, and I just share, look, you can see on here, what is it, who is it for, let's look at the products, and I literally walk people through the products. So this one is one of the products here. It's called the Copywriter's Playbook. If I scroll down here, look, everything that's included. It comes with this bonus, and look, it's just $1. Pretty good. Coming down here, we've got this one here, 15-second free leads. This is everything that's included. This is the price. These are people's results. How much is it? Again, it's $1. Now, you might be wondering, you said you can earn some good money with this. Well, you absolutely can do, because inside of this company over here, this legendary marketer, People go in and they buy these low ticket items on the front end. They go through the courses, the products, they realise, just how good they are, the quality of them. And then what happens is, inside of that Legendary Marketer ecosystem, they also have additional products which people can buy and upgrade to. Now, they don't have to buy them in order to, make money with the front end products. These are just additional resources. And a lot of these resources inside of here, they are from people like this one here, for example, with Nathan Lucas, this interview. This guy is earning 7 figures on YouTube, and there's lots of training in there. And if I scroll down here, we've got this one, Traffic University, and that product there is 1497. So if somebody was to buy that product there inside of Legendary Marketer, I would earn a pretty decent commission from that. And if I go back over here, we've got another one here, like Jarvis Software Review. So you see here, what happens with affiliate marketing is you do the work previously, and you can do this in a number of ways. You can do this blogging, you can do this over on YouTube, you can even do it with a Facebook group. And again, I've got an example of this over on the website here. We've got, Amazon affiliate marketing with a Facebook group, and you can literally drive traffic to any product in any category or in any niche, and you can be making money for months and even years down the line. The one thing we spoke about, which was called capturing the lead, which is whereby we give somebody information in exchange for their email, and once we have their email, we can follow up with them about the original product that they was interested in. And there's hundreds of ways that you can do this. In fact, I also have a free affiliate marketing course, which you can, I'll drop a link to that down below. You can go ahead and check this out. But look, overall, this is how you can earn money with affiliate marketing without being on camera, without having to, be messaging people. We create evergreen content, and we create, not only is the content evergreen, we also create a system which literally does all of the work for you. Your main task with affiliate marketing is driving traffic to your evergreen content. So look, I hope all of that makes sense for you. If you've got any questions around this, let me know. I'll drop links to all of this down below for you, but go ahead and have a read of this article, because as I've mentioned, you can do this purely on Instagram, you can do this purely on Pinterest, you can do this on Quora, you can do YouTube, you can do websites like what we've got here, and many more ways. So yeah, overall, I think you'll agree, it's pretty straightforward. It's not hard, it just takes time, effort and consistency. So thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.